Hello everybody. Let's talk about Capstone. Briefly, let's talk about Capstone. It's time to narrow the project into two choices. And you need to think hard about the project. It needs to span the length of the term. It needs to test your knowledge. You need to be able to demonstrate 3 engineering content areas. In those 3 content areas, we are looking for about 15 to 20 hours worth of work. So, one of your content areas is going to definitely be graphics, SolidWorks, AutoCAD, something like that. But the other 2 content areas needs to be some kind of a class that you've taken in engineering technology. So, like I said before, statics, strength of materials, fluids, any of that kind of stuff works really well. AC/DC fundamentals, pneumatics, thermodynamics, all of those hard subjects are what we're looking for in the project. So think about your project and think about the engineering content that you will demonstrate, and make sure it's appropriate. Like, it's hard enough, not too hard. We don't want to go way beyond the scope of your knowledge, but we definitely want to challenge ourselves into some new areas where we have to learn some new material. This is my boat. I work on it every day because I can, I guess. But this is a giant project. I worked on this over a year getting it ready, and I should be able to put it in the water this year. So, all kinds of systems on a boat. We have electrical systems, we have strength of materials, lots of loading conditions, lots of things to do calculations on. So really, you want to think about, how am I going to be able to demonstrate my knowledge? How am I going to be able to work a project that shows everything I want to show to a prospective employer, right? That's what we're looking for. So it's well beyond, a simple 2-week project. It's going to be tough. The build out can be a physical build out. If you have that capability, that's great. Or it can be a computer build out, right? You can do it in SolidWorks or AutoCAD. So this week's project is to narrow your choices to 2 projects, and talk about those 2. Hey, Cody, come here. Say goodbye to everybody. Yo. Hey. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Oh gosh. All right. Hope everybody's well.